aging. It should be cancer is treated well. Parkinson is getting better. But the more you do that unethical practice outside, for chill will sound cheap to people. And many issues like bagsak presyo and everything, those issues will make it down. So, Mon, what are we going to do? How many of you, me myself, I have 7-year allergy, and in just 1 week, I got out of steroid. 7 years on steroid. Noong una, sabi ko, gagawa lang ako ng testimony, yung tulog. Normally, ang testimony ko lang yung bowel movement. Kasi laging ganun lang. Kasi I run 21 kilometers, so wala akong masyadong makitang di ba? So kaya pag uminom ako ng produkto, babantayan ko agad yung inidoro. Sabi ko nga sa asawa, maybe this time, videohan ko yung laman ng inidoro. Kasi parang mapakita ko sana, di ba? Kaya yung asawa ko. Di ba? Yun lang Ba't nawala yung allergy ko? And 3 weeks later, I was salivating a lot. And my daughter pushed me to go to the hospital, and I was diagnosed with kidney failure. But I signed a waiver. Sabi ko, ilalaban ko yung life stem cell. But after 1 month of taking the product, from that time on to this time, my kidney is normal. Actually, ganun na ako magkwento. And how we can really establish belief of the product, not only to ourselves, but to other people. This is what we will do. Ang tawag dito, curiosity marketing. Is a field in marketing that, sabi nila, curiosity marketing engage more audiences because that is what we need in this business. You know, my new downline, who is my cousin, I told him, don't worry about the sales, just use the product because kung nalaman ko marami pala siyang diferensya, so he's now taking the product at a higher dose, no? And then, I told him to invite. So, sorry that he texted me, sabi niya, mga 20 na yung invite niya. First time niya, na?
Wow.
20 na. And now, he'll be probably next week to the second set. In fact, magse-7 headset, sabi ko muna, 2 muna. Relationship. So, curiosity marketing is like this. This is me, I'm not saying you. I retrain my team to do OPP outside. Because I cannot control it. I don't know what they will say there. Do you know that the more unethical practice we do outside, maybe eventually Riway will be banned in our country? You ask Doc Ann. Yeah, we will be banned. So, curiosity marketing is like this. It was exemplified, English ko, sabi sa'yo, lumala ko sa'yo. It was exemplified by Celeste Sang, Pang Yuen, and in the OPP taught by Big Boss. This is how Pang Yuen gave her testimony. She said that, when I started, I was malnourished, and I always get sick. My mom is also sick. Then after that, and I have no money, I'm only working in a department store. And then all of a sudden, and then when I met Riway, now I am well nourished. My mom is very, very healthy. And then all the career success is there. So if you hear Pang Yuen saying, how did you become healthy? How did you get out of being malnourished when you're sitting down there? But if you tell everything, they don't need to ask. And you cannot make them curious. So you cannot invite them in a meeting. Because you said it all. This is what James Chong told me. In that room. Mon, don't give so much information outside. You must just be good informed. F-O-R-M. In other words, You must outside, your goal is to build good relationship so that you can invite them, come and see. Do you know that the less you talk, the more confident the people that you're talking to? If you talk a lot, they will lose confidence because your credibility will go down while you give them a lot of information. They will no longer trust you. So I told the team, you know what we do? James or Mata, medyo matikas din ang ulo nun kasi ano yun, sales yun sa call center. Kahit turuan mo yun. Ako naman naiintindihan ko yun. Mahirap maintindihan ng networking. It's about people. Mahirap. So finally, after some squabbles, so, okay, good man, ito gagawin ko. We do what we call a CSEL SEM. Actually, that's a leader sharing. We'll explain the value of the system like that, and people will share. And then we will send them, you want to know more? Come to the office. Now, believe in the product. So, how about OPP? If Gary Valenciano was given a premium because he did not expose himself too much. Tama? All the events or all the venues that you will see Gary Valenciano is purposely to elevate his value. It has to be sure that the place of exposure of Gary V is premium to maintain his value. How can you maintain the value of the product? This is what we say. We will give our testimony, sharing our experience, and then we want to find more. And you want to see the proper venue when you can hear the exact value of life stem cell therapy. You attend our OPP in the office. If you tell everything, why you will come to our OPP? That's the reason why our OPP are losing people. Because you tell everything outside. They don't want to need to go here.